Go. We're going to start out slow as we head towards the tower. We go over the tower, the car does the same tilt and swing as it did on the way up. So just make sure you're hanging on to something. I hope everyone had a lovely time. Here we go. If you look to your right hand side, you can see Stone Mountain Lake. It's our man-made lake. Stretches about halfway around to the back side of the mountain. On the other side of the lake, we have two 18-hole golf courses, as well as a campground and an RV park. If you look on the left side of the lake, you can see a peninsula with a structure on it. The structure is known as a Carillon. It's a bell tower that was donated to us after the 1964 World's Fair. Plays bells on Sunday at 1:45. Spend every other day at 12 to 4. If you missed it the first time, the carving will be showing up behind us on the left-hand side. Now, we've got our attractions open. We've got our train, mini golf, sky hike, dinosaur explore, and the historic square. If you have any questions about those or anything else, just feel free to ask. Where's the covered bridge? It's go out to the road, take a right, follow it all the way until you get to a roundabout. There'll be a little downhill that says covered bridge this way, and it'll take you out over to it. You can drive across it, and on the little island there's parking. There's a little trail around the island too.
Cool, thank you.
That's also the same area where the gristmill and quarry exhibit are as well.
Okay.
Right, we're going to slow down as we head towards the loading bay. They bump on the side just a little bit as we park in the bay. I hope everyone had a wonderful time, and I hope you have a lovely rest of your day.
I bet it's hot here with 60-something people on here.
Yeah, it was. They figure since it's only a 2.5 minute ride,
Yeah.
and plus they can't figure out